Number 1, Volvo V70R, 2004 to 2007. You see a Volvo wagon, and your brain goes straight to soccer practice, golden retrievers, and NPR. But this is a boxy Swedish missile. The V70R came with a turbocharged 2.5-litre inline-5 engine making 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive, a 6-speed manual transmission, and adjustable suspension. This wasn't a car for speed freaks, it was a car for the undercover speed freak who needed room for kids but still wanted to dust WRXs at stoplights. The AWD grip made launches brutal. Tuners could easily push it past 350 plus horsepower, and the sound, like a pissed-off moose on Red Bull. Most people never saw it coming. It looked like a mom car, but it was a silent assassin with leather seats and launch control, a real gentleman's street weapon. Number 2, Buick GNX, 1987. You look at this thing and see an old man regal, chrome delete, all black, square body, 1980s grandpa coupe. But the GNX, that was a wolf in polyester. Under the hood sat a turbocharged 3.8-litre V6, officially 276 horsepower, realistically over 300 horsepower and 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds in 1987. It destroyed Corvettes, it embarrassed Ferraris. It was faster than almost anything on the street and looked like it should be parked at the bingo hall. The GNX didn't ask for attention. It didn't come with stripes or spoilers. It just rolled up, smoked you, and left no evidence. They only made 547 of them. And if you ever see one today, respect it. That car's got murder in its DNA. Number 3, Lexus GSF, 2016 to 2020. You think Lexus, you think smooth, quiet, reliable, and the GSF is all of that. But it's also hiding a full-blown muscle car heart. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated 5.0-litre V8 with 467 horsepower, revving past 7,300 RPM, rear-wheel drive, sport-tuned everything. 0 to 60 in the low 4s, and it did it with class. No flashy trim, no big wing, just grown man performance in a tailored suit. Inside, you got luxury, Alcantara, leather, Mark Levinson sound system. But outside, most folks thought you were just another accountant in traffic, until you downshifted. Then it screamed like a banshee and left tire marks like it meant it. Number 4, Ford Taurus SHO, 1989 to 1995. This one is peak undercover chaos. A front-wheel drive Ford sedan from the early 90s. But open the hood, Yamaha-built 3.0-litre V6. High revving, 220 horsepower, manual transmission, and a sound that did not belong in a Ford family sedan. The SHO was built to surprise. It looked like Dad's commuter car, but it could rip 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds, faster than most muscle cars of its day. It flew under the radar, no body kits, no badges screaming performance. It was a legit sleeper. You'd laugh at it until it left you behind. It was fast, weird, and way too good for its time. And now, it's a cult classic. Number 5, Audi RS2 Avant, 1994 to 1995. It's a wagon. It's got roof rails. It looks like it belongs to someone picking up their kids from soccer practice. But under the hood, it's all rage and no mercy. Audi didn't build this alone. They teamed up with Porsche. Yeah, that Porsche. And they didn't just slap a badge on it. They built this thing by hand, in Porsche's factory. You're not just getting an Audi here. You're getting DNA straight out of Stuttgart. It came with a turbocharged 2.2-litre inline-5 that made 311 horsepower. That's a lot today, but in 1994, that was ridiculous. All-wheel drive, manual transmission, 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. But here's the fun part. Porsche didn't stop at the engine. They gave it 911 brakes. They gave it Porsche turbo side mirrors. They made sure this thing could stop, see, and move like a proper predator. And because it looked like a commuter car, no one saw it coming until it flew past them on the Autobahn, smoking Ferraris, hauling groceries. This wasn't just Audi's first performance wagon. It was a sledgehammer, wearing a trench coat, carrying baby seats in the back. Number 6, Mercedes-Benz E55 AMG wagon, 2005 to 2006. This one looks like a dentist's car or a lawyer on a Costco run. But the moment you touch the gas, everything changes. Under the hood, a supercharged 5.4-litre V8. 469 horsepower, 516 pound-feet of torque. That's not just quick, that's burn rubber while the kids watch Moana levels of fast. 0 to 60, 4.2 seconds. That's quicker than most sports cars, while carrying 5 passengers, a stroller and a golden retriever. But what makes it even crazier? Nobody suspects it. It looks like a family hauler, a carpool king, but it's a rolling missile with cup holders and a wood-trimmed dash. And if you dared remove the speed limiter, this dad wagon could hit 180 plus miles per hour. That's not just quick, that's borderline illegal. Luxury, chaos, practicality, all in one stealth package. Number 7, Tesla Model S P100D, ludicrous mode. The final car on this list barely makes a sound until it's already embarrassed you. At first glance, the Model S looks tame, smooth lines, minimalist design. It could pass as a Silicon Valley appliance, more iPhone than internal combustion. But press one button, ludicrous mode, and suddenly you're strapped to a bullet. 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds. That's not just fast, that's hypercar fast. That's snap your neck, make a grown man scream fast. No gears, no engine noise, no drama, just instant torque and complete humiliation for the poor soul in the next lane. People used to say Teslas were for nerds until they tried to race one. Then the whole world changed. It's silent, it's smooth, and it can destroy a Lamborghini while playing Spotify and adjusting your AC. The future doesn't make noise, it just wins. These cars don't yell, they don't flex. They don't need wide-body kits or oversized wings. They're sleepers, and they'll humiliate you in silence. And if you want to see what happens when the car looks fast, the driver acts fast, but the brain's still in neutral, go watch Every BMW Driver Explained. Tailgating, ego driving, no turn signals, this one's got it all. The myth, the madness, and the memes. Every BMW driver, broken down and roasted. Because not all speed is horsepower, sometimes it's just attitude, and not the good kind. Hit that next button.